In real estate, the answer to affordable housing may be closer than you think. Joining us now with a breakthrough solution is entrepreneur and real estate developer El-Amin. This summer, you broke ground on Wisconsin's largest privately held affordable housing development. You're calling it the community within a corridor on the north side of Milwaukee. Tell us what you think about the housing crisis overall.
Well, today's housing crisis is caused by a number of factors. But if we look at Milwaukee specifically, we have large out-of-state investors buying large quantities of housing on the north and south side. That, combined with rising interest rates and construction costs, is really making a perfect situation for a housing crisis.
It's happening in most cities, though, as you know, Q. Big investors are coming in. They're buying up properties, taking up the best properties, and leaving the average American out of a decent place to live. That's
correct. And so we've seen houses that were originally selling for $120,000 to $150,000, now selling in the $180,000 to $210,000 range. And that, combined with rising interest rates, the average homeowner in Milwaukee can't afford to then purchase those homes.
Tell us how you're using old vacant buildings and how this works.
Yeah, so in our current project, which is the community within the corridor, we've remodeled the former Briggs and Stratton industrial plant into 197 residential units, combined with 35,000 square feet of commercial space and 25,000 square feet of recreational space, with the intention on putting all the resources in one place that makes for a successful family.
How successful is this so far?
So far, so good. We've had first move-ins about 2 weeks ago. And we have roughly about 10% of the place leased up, and we'll have lease up all the way until the end of the year.
Are these homes truly affordable?
It is affordable. So the rents range between 30% up to 80% of county median income. And so they go from approximately about $300 for a studio up to about $1,200 for a four-bedroom apartment.
Can other cities adopt your model?
Yeah, other cities can definitely adopt this model. We've had visitors come visit from Northwest Indiana, from Chicago, to look at the models that we're working on and have worked on. And additionally, they want to take it back to their community as well. And so, if it's something that you're interested in, there's a number of, again, federal and state and local resources that can be combined to make projects like this possible.
What types of buildings tend to work the best?
In this project, we utilize historic tax credits. And to access those funds, the building, one, has to be over 50 years old. And then it has to have some type of historical significance, meaning either there's an architectural significance to it, or the uses that the building was for had or gave some type of historical value. So that's what you really look for when you start 50 years older, and some type of historical significance.
How can people get in touch with you?
Yes, please visit scott-crawford.com for more information and to contact me or anybody from our group.
Thank you so much for sharing all of this on our show today.
Thank you very much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.